How to make zip file in your PC or laptop, right? So this is very easy thing. So let's say this is my one of my picture and this is my folder, right? So I will just drag it into this in this folder, and now I want to zip this folder. So I'll just right click on it and you will get option of compress to zip file. Click on it, right? So basically it will just make a copy of the same folder and you can just rename it. For example, I will just write here sub zip. Now as you can see here, this folder has been zipped, so now you can share. Now let me show you what's the difference it had got when it's changed, right? So let me show you the properties here, right? So this is a property and the size is 154 KB, right? And let me show you the zip folder property. As you can see here, it was 154, it's now 150. Right now when I just try to open it up, you can see there's a folder inside it and then there is an image, right? Now if I just want to unzip, I will just click on extract all and click on extract. Right now you can see that this folder has been zipped. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.